Craziest thing is the capital gains tax yields no revenue when you raise it. You lose money when you raise it. All three times when they've raised it, they've gotten less money at the higher rate than at the lower rate. Because people say, well, at 15%, I'll sell this stock. At 15%, I'll sell this house. I'll sell this real estate. Because the government's only going to get 15% of it. But at 25%, I don't want to. I don't want to give the government 25%. I'm going to hold on to it. So that when you lower this tax, your revenues go up, and when you raise this tax, your revenues go down, and that genius in the White House is raising it anyway. So what we're confronted with is a set of policies that guarantee that nobody spends money and guarantee that nobody invests money in their own factory, at least if they're not very young and healthy. And what about banks? Are they going to lend us money to create jobs? Well, I hope so, and maybe there's a Jobs or a Dell or a Gates somewhere in a garage who's coming up with the next generation technology, but I'm sorry, he's not going to get a loan because the federal government is telling the banks in the financial regulation bill, if you make a loan and it goes bad, it's not repaid, then I'm going to say that you are an imprudent lender. And I'm going to close the bank down. I'm going to fire you. I'm going to fire your staff. I'm going to replace your board of directors. I'm going to wipe out the shareholders' equity, which is your pension, your 401k, your stock bonuses. And I'm going to sell off units of your bank. But please, make loans. Take risks. When you tell a banker to be cautious, it's like telling a cab driver in New York City to hurry. You know, those banks have columns and an edifice and a portico, but they're not banks anymore, they're mausoleums. Because of the federal regulation that has terrified them against making loans. So you can't get a loan to start a business. You